Yeah! So this has been something that I've been wanting to do for the XT. As you can see from our previous video, these rims are from the stock 86 rims. And I'm not really a big fan of the two-tone color scheme going on. I really need to do something about these rims. So that's the plan. We're just going to be painting the rims to a different color. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Safety first. Wheels are off, time to clean them, sand them, and then prep them. Okay, I completely didn't think about the thunderstorm from last night. I think it's too humid, so as soon as the spray paint comes out of the can, it looks like it's drying and it's not attaching to the primer. Okay, so it's been a few hours. The plan now is I'm going to wet sand the rims. After wet sanding it, I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna put on another few layers of paint and then clear coat. We'll see what happens. Hopefully that fixes the problem. I really want to get this done today. Alright, so you're gonna notice I sprayed the tire, but that's okay. Before I sprayed it, I put some gel on so that I could just rub it right off. Alright y'all, finally done with the XT. Look at the rims. What do you guys think? So the color I chose for the rims is a Gunmetal Grey. I can show you guys the original color, kind of compared to this. But in my opinion, this is just so much better.